Hello, this is Ramsey. We'll be working on the Dell E6510. Also, I bought a lot last July, and then I need to work on today. We're just going to upgrade the RAM and install Windows 7 to it. That's not gonna happen now. I want to get running projects and school stuff. I want to use it for. We're just trying to find it. I decided, fuck it, we're gonna try to get XP running on it. Which should be doable, but drivers might get in the way. Problem with the 7 on it now is it's only got 1 gig of RAM, and it won't run well with that, so I'm not gonna force it to. So I'm gonna put XP on it, so it's gonna handle 1 gig of RAM, no problem. And there's a adapter port here. It's for the hard drive cover, and there's just no hard drive that I'm using to get it working. It looks like I need to make it work. I'm looking at the laptop's setup port, which is here. So the smaller end needs to go to the hard drive facing like this. I show you the computer, it will never go inside the slot, so there's really no point doing that. You're gonna need a small screwdriver to get those screws in there. So what I've got this design of the hard drive, it uses the hard drive as a bottom hole to secure to the laptop. And the hole on the sides is secure to the cover plate. And I think this is a really smart design for Dell. Yeah, I use that word. But it is a pretty neat design. But I had it for screws, so I'm going to get that put on that Scotch tape looks like I did the bottom plate. And then do it on this computer here. Although I'm about to read this computer over the computer. It doesn't work through the wall, but it still runs, so. I got to change the adapter board, or the daughter board with the USB ports. Because they're pretty glue of all things. Battery, hard drive caddy. So, this will be another video. That's this thing done. This will be a real pain in the ass to do. So yeah, see on the computer. I will show you because I'll tell you like this part has to go on the bottom like I thought. And then these two go like this together. Back here. Over. Fucking damn it. There, had that. God damn it. You should have let me eat it. Anyway. And just so that and that connect. It's a good design. Should run this room loader. Push me, stay put. These aren't one of. Alright. I can tell these aren't one of at all in the reach. Put it back in the bag. Yeah, everyone's gonna be. No, let's just take it. No battery still, by the way. Go ahead and just some tape. move that password section right up. That was for it, man. I drive the shut. I said install it, I was on X on it, it didn't work. That'd be on that butt uploading because you know what? Fuck it. That was a massive fail. I'm gonna go see the thing, so I think I'm good. I don't take the screenshot. Oh, I think that anyway, but what are you fucking doing? That's the crazy in full. God damn it. Really? Motherfucker. No, all I'm gonna do is just. This is a knife brush again with it. Fuck it. Right all on here. Just right the table. Put the left bit. And there. The camera's running out of room. Fucking damn it, man. Alright. Where? Fuck your camera. Alright, cool. So, there's no use my port, I want to display port, so I don't have a adapter for that, so I can either catch what I want. To be honest, I don't want to put the pain in my ass, so. Yeah, really honest. Record. Now browse my stack of disparate empty setup disk. Setup drivers. I know I have one. Right here. In my shitty handwriting. My handwriting is garbage, but just to let you guys know. There's a lot, I type a lot of these out. You want to power it? This is a new boot device found. If it works at all. There it is. See, they're right, motherfucker. They try to weird somewhere. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. New boot device found. Press that key to boot the machine. I didn't get it out there. That was pushing too far to the top. Yeah, it's regards to a Mac OS 4-minute drive. Hopefully it always accept it still. I want to do it like that. Already doing that, man. Start my Mac Mini. Then copy the file off the SD card. That's not horrible. Still recover. I'm gonna put the SD card right here. I'll just come back when it's downloading. Alright, so this is here. Set to define hard drive plugged in the computer. If you have any hard drive or power on, power connected to your computer, the end user rating hardware configuration is correct. Any while in the file diagnosis or separately, click on continue to put the first operation. From here, let's go to the BIOS and see it's detected a silver and G party we have right here. And reformat the drive because this is formatted for Mac OS X, so it makes it why it's not testing it. Go ahead and do that. Is it F2 to get to the BIOS? Or is it 12? I think it's 12 actually. That's not, I don't know. Wow, license. One time. Show me the hard drive I want to look for. Uh-oh. I didn't get anything that's in the hard drive. Because it knows it's not. It would have boot. Alright, boot sequence. Turn the hard drive. It's detecting the hard drive there. Put it on top. No, it's on top. No, a second. I'm gonna do is go ahead and get the frame here, by the way. The XG SATA disk. With the SD card. I did work with the SD card. At the back end, not many, of course. Let's hopefully get that thing turned off. Yeah, you know what I mean. I just put a G-part just apply. I said, I better use the math in the BIOS, so and just holding off. Oh, there it is. Nope. What is it for? Okay. Is that enough to boot? What the fuck? Uh-oh. Oh, great. What? Oh my god. Fuck off. Abort the test. Like your mother should have aborted you. My dog, lady. It's blowing a lot of heat, I guess. It's really not blowing a lot of heat, it's just like the fans are getting all hot fast. And you've heard a lot of default things. Oh, come on. Okay, good. You're out of data, dumbass. Get so mad. Not that matter, but okay. So I did not read my enter button. Yeah, I'm actually recording this. Oh, you have to break. I'll be back. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and zoom that back out. Not using hard drive. We can't outside the disk anymore. Yeah. Okay. So do you have a hard drive? You break. Really? Then just all screwed up. Come on. Oh. I mean, I found that for hard drive. Probably it was on eBay because it put into a hard drive. We still don't find anything. I don't think it's all something. I didn't. Okay, fuck it. I'm gonna put this gun, show the FE disc backing. I'm gonna do this with one for Pro. Or get it out rather. And we're gonna try to hook it hard with that, wipe it out, to exFAT, and then boot from there. Right, yeah, real quick. I already showed you. Shit. Alright. So it's removable, I guess. So now, let's see it. That's the boss right now. into the hard drive. I'm gonna see at the break off. I can just, you know, I can just speed damper right onto it. I have no damn key. God damn it! Right, you bastard. Was just right in there. Alright. I'm going for Pro Air. Yeah, that is a decent consistent that way. That man's using this over it. We got this, it doesn't have much room on it. Store device. Okay. Bust this bitch out. Hook that up. Okay. I want just try to see what USB media. So better zoom on that. Okay, erase. DOS. What's that? Use successful. Okay. Finder. I gotta drag it out. Either I can't show you guys. Now we're good. Alright. Plug the hard drive with the MacBook Pro over. I'll show you guys down below. Okay. And of course remove the adapter. Put the red back in. Here over. Anyways, after that. Going. Then you got it stood up one time. It works. Ah, let me pass. Put it into his nowhere. That's what I don't want to do. I go from my face over there. Why not? And fuck. That's not good. Okay, I'll put on another 7 flash drive. Yeah, might be this computer's problem. It might have a bad stack hacker. Shit. Myself in disk. 3. Reboot. Or bad ports. Yeah, that drives it right up. Let's go with a USB on that. Okay, I gotta let them flash drive now. Let's just store device. Yeah, it's only seen a hard drive. Was that in far enough or? Fuck. That is not good. Fuck. I have a damn hard drive. Oh shit. Really? Fuck. You gotta be. And I knew I had this because that fucking thing is shot. And the drive is good too. Shit. Wow. That really sucked out of working this computer. That's the problem. That's what I made. I'm gonna check it out and see. That's what I'm going on. I'm gonna get the computer one way. Alright guys, I'm gonna do. I'll take out the bracket and plug it straight in. Or it's not getting a good connection. You try that. Might need a new motherboard. Fuck. Man. To get one of those, I don't drive either. Shit. Oh. Try back up and see if it. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh! Alright, look at that, guys. Little effort goes a long way. Now it's seeing the hardware now. Alright. Let's go with the CD drive. Pull out the flash drive. It's in computer, push it out the flash. Alright, nice. Go ahead, enter. And go NTFS quick. And then F. And then format and install Windows, alright? We're getting one step further. Awesome. I'm when all this is done. The progress update for you guys is putting up hard drive. And I'm gonna put this information. So next, I'm doing my little environment name or studio name, whatever the fuck I call it. It's fine. Of course, I'm in Eastern time zone, US and Canada. That is where it's at the smart value. That proves that the smart value is working fine. I didn't tell that ever. I thought they did turn on it since I put the power cord in to prove it was working too, but I mentioned that. I have to prove that step the time I set the computer up as well. Oh fuck, I'm gonna default work group bullshit. Work G-R-O-U-P. This is G. Fuck. G. Lol. I did not just say it. Oh my god. Okay. You thought that's right now. So yeah. The disk. Floppy disk. CD. Oh god. I realized that I'd never used. I did use CDs a lot though. This is the one I know actually. Floppies, I've held one. Or used it though. Never even seen it as a disc in person or held one, obviously. We got plenty of CD though. Although that's not what DVDs. See. Well, they are technically DVDs. Yeah, right. I'll see you guys next part. Alright. So I just did this. Just resolution. Yeah, that's alright, but it's not perfect. I go to the highest value I can find. The highest value I get to. Okay, let's just see this. We got no sound. Anyways. No. The audio driver, obviously. So next, not right now. I think this still work, but I know there's no more being made. For sure, but anyway, never use them because they get my fucking way. I haven't searched the password, but using another. And finish and go to Windows. Yay, it worked somehow. So the long battle, the victory has been made. TechSavvvvy said, haha, fuck you, Microsoft. Fuck your Windows 10. Jesus, fuck that Windows 10. So stupid. The forced updates is bullshit in my opinion. And we got the road shittiest resolution ever. So go ahead into the control panel. Oh, I hate the video. Just a classic. System. And hardware. Alright. The best manager. I don't think this would be possible. Okay, damn, they don't Ethernet controller. I can hook the Wi-Fi and just, or Ethernet and just do it anyway. I couldn't get Ethernet internet. How did that get that out the fact? 1394, it's some Wi-Fi thing. Audio device, Icon USH. So there's an Ethernet network, private Wi-Fi. PCI data acquisition and signal processing control. The fuck is that? Yeah, there's a bit more here than what I'm reading. I hope anyway. SM bus. Sure that is. I'm not the big control you checking how I won't obviously being a dude ever. Being missing. That's all you do. Just grab the video controller driver. Properties. Details, hardware IDs. Let's go to the bottom one. And go Control C. Up Notepad. Run. Notepad. Type in video. You can see that? No, you can't. And Control V. There we go. Wi-Fi. Just you can see it. Or you probably couldn't. Just go in device manager. Network controller, part of the Wi-Fi right here. Properties. I'm gonna spin this. God damn it. So right click it. Yeah, fucking damn it. Right click the thing, go properties. Come down to details. I'm gonna see the screen on the camera. Okay, hardware ID. Any work as you go for the bottom enough, these are the shortest. That's what Control C. Okay, I put Wi-Fi in. On that side. So Control C, Control V. Control C on hardware D, Control V on Wi-Fi. I'm gonna grab a flash drive. This is the right one. Plug it in. I found the cruiser glide. Maybe I can close out of this crap. You whore. No, I found it for that. Alright. Under my computer. I can see that this guy. That might be the flash drive actually. No, it ain't. That was the disc. I might have the monitor drive in there, I don't know yet. There's no drivers. It takes a moment to recognize them. Yeah, I'll show you a little bit. See, it seems all this heat in there. Yeah, showing that strategy. Again. Yeah, fuck, it's smelling. I have three that are all the same kind, so it's kind of hard to tell which one's which one's nice. Okay. So I can go. Oh, I guess I can't see this, can you? Okay. Sorry, I'm putting the computer around there. No issue get my out, so I'll watch you for a minute. Alright, cool. Notepad. I'll save as. And then E. And then 6510 HW. I need that hardware IDs. Took homework IDs though. Alright. And cool. Let's just see what the specs say. Intel Core TM i7 CPU. This is a modifier that has that stuff in it. It's not a real disk. I think you have the SATA drivers. I just want 950 megs of RAM. There's the whole gig, but i7 620M. That's an M620. But whatever. So, yeah. Take the drivers installed to look a lot better. Go ahead and shut this fucker down. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed, and that's right. Alright. Well, download the done tutorial. Alright. Stop the video. Yeah, I think this is just the flash drive. Yep. He's back into this. And hope we get to work. Get your camera showing. Alright. Follow your files. And then. Yeah. Nice, don't put the EXE on the end and then. Yeah, I see. Oh, fucking Sasser getting there. Okay then. That's quite interesting. Somebody's got some bad programming skills. Or I think it's attending with Sasser. Even the Sasser one is the one where they just reboot your computer like every so often. It wasn't supposed to do it though. What thing was, it was bad programming caused the program that crashed, that exploited to pick a system over the network, which is kind of funny. So, you know, Shackle's nuts that it's not right, so. But it's getting the job done now. I just need the resolution that I might change. Hopefully we got on the internet, and I'll finish the rest of it later. Without you guys. This is boring bullshit. There we go. Alright, damn. Small AF. That is small as fuck. I didn't even have the option for Wi-Fi. I'll set mine up, obviously. I have easy typing twice, it's so dumb. Hopefully it doesn't have problems with security settings. It might. I don't like it really either. Like a fucking small as shit is a. And goddamn. That probably isn't the right resolution though either. Just the options. I don't really like it being this small. What she said. Display. Appearance. Settings. Oh, that's what I need to do. Try that one. That just doesn't look right, I don't think. Do I want something lower, I feel like. I want that. Then it's better than nothing is. I'm gonna work later. Something that's kind of down the layer. So the internet's actually working. And waiting for a reply, it says on the website, which is good. Yep, we're working. So cool. Awesome bomber. I'm glad the bomber's dead now. It's awesome. Isn't the awesome bomber blew himself up? That's what he gets, fucking bastard. What's this? What do you got fired? You didn't see it. Dieter stand up military personnel got fired. Good. Nice. I'm gonna block all that because that. Really showing. I saw all this time now. But yeah. It's really weird. But to be honest, oh well. If you wasn't me for this computer, but oh well. So I'll do that to the driver later. I know you. I got something update. I gotta put the firebox and shit under there to get working right. And it's working. You can't load shit in 2018. I know it's 17. Yeah, it's fucking March already. Alright, well, until next time, you guys. Or until next time, just see you. My fucking thing here with my roller desk. Damn it. Alright. See you guys. Alright, that's been a while. Yeah, I done with the computer. I haven't taken the score yet, I guess I was going to. I didn't end up needing it. I do have a Firefox with the NC under. I think I was trying to see how high it feels so you can get. It's not that great. Click something to see how hot this view is, and then Audacity to see the mic signal during the camera 8 video. I just filmed Wednesday, was it? Today's Friday. 5 hours ago, that Broadcom one was the, smart card slot, that smart card, or that Broadcom USH or something like that. I don't remember what it was though. I can look. I have something about this book I can't find. I did Google the hardware ID. I can't find it. From the other thing I'm talking about. I mean, not tell me what it is. No. Remember to change how to install the drivers. No, I don't know. Yeah, I use the computer a whole lot other than I did use it for the Fire RTC and the scanner video. Readers. USB for some reason. Okay, that come up. Doesn't turn on that USB because it's serious, nothing plugged in. It's not the computer at all. I have any USB ports on the back of this thing, but I'll show you now. Head, back. Yeah, there are no ports on the back. Oh, separate Ethernet and a VGA port. That's all I have on the back. So that's not USB, that's something else. So I don't know what that is. But yeah, if you've been running decent, hasn't overheated it or anything at all, which is good, obviously. But yeah, if you really do Minecraft, you probably can't do OBS, so that's not what I buy it for. I have that many now to do that with, so I bought it in a pinch trying to get OBS to work and ended up failing because I could get the computer running at all. So yeah, fuck me. I just have a fucking testing computer laying around now. I got 3 testing computers and the Dell E6510 and the Dell E6510. Check out your work on the wall. It's fine, your hard drive soon, but one of them is getting old for I'm concerned. Current one does still work, so fuck it. She has 2 on it right now, so one of this, one of the or no, 7 on that one. This is the main drive that's in the computer that's still bootable. And 7 I got testing drive to do all similar videos and all reviews and stuff on. So yeah. That's it, it runs, I got most of the drivers installed. I've been using it, it's alright. And yeah. Yeah, I'll try this before video, maybe another part, where I put a battery in and stuff, I don't know, yeah. I could up the RAM and put one of the 7 on it like it's supposed to have. But I don't know yet. So, yeah. Alright, well, until next time, you guys, take it easy.